Beneath the surface of one of Sydney's most affluent suburbs hides a secret past, once abandoned, almost forgotten.
Today, it's a place where old world decay and modern design coexist. But how did this forgotten reservoir become one of Sydney's most unique public spaces? Let's take a closer look. Today, we are in the inner east suburb of Paddington, which has a history that dates back to the early 1800s, when it was a working class suburb built on the outskirts of colonial Sydney. Known for its iconic Victorian terraces, just like this one here, Juniper Hall. Built in 1824 by emancipated convict Robert Cooper, it is the oldest surviving residence in Paddington.
Scratch the surface of this history and you'll discover another gem, sunken deep into the landscape.
Built in 1866, the Paddington Reservoir was an engineering marvel designed to supply water to Sydney's growing suburbs. For decades, it quietly stored and distributed water beneath the city's surface, holding around 4.5 million litres of water at its peak. But when modern infrastructure took over in the late 1800s, the reservoir was abandoned, left to crumble beneath the streets of Paddington.
Buried beneath the city for decades, this reservoir was once hidden and forgotten, but today it stands as a beautifully preserved relic of Sydney's history.
The result? A blend of old and new that's nothing short of breathtaking. You'll see weathered brick arches, original support columns, and industrial remnants preserved exactly as they were found. But modern steel walkways and open spaces weave through the ruins, creating a balance between history and function. What's amazing is that the designers didn't try to fix anything. They let the decay tell its own story, leaving cracks and moss untouched. Instead of erasing its past, they embraced it. Perhaps the most beautiful part of the design is the sunken garden. Where stagnant water once sat, you now have lush greenery and peaceful walkways. It's a symbol of renewal, breathing new life into an otherwise forgotten place. And this renewal project won a UNESCO Asia Pacific Award for Cultural Heritage Conservation. Today, the Reservoir Gardens is a peaceful escape from the city's noise. Locals come here to relax, read, or simply enjoy the architecture. Photographers love it for its rustic charm, while others see it as a quiet space to recharge. If you're someone who loves discovering hidden spots, this is perfect. It's a place where you can take your time, explore the details, and just enjoy the quiet atmosphere. Paddington Reservoir Gardens is proof that forgotten spaces don't have to remain forgotten. With the right vision, even a crumbling reservoir can be transformed into something inspiring. So, if you're visiting Sydney, why not take a break from the usual tourist spots and give this hidden gem a chance? Trust me, it's worth it.
Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's walk through this hidden little gem. Just remember, keep exploring and keep adventuring, because your next destination is only a Deano away. See you guys.